Welcome to LS Starrett. Today we are going to demonstrate and show you how to use the A19 Hole Enlargement Arbor. What I'm going to do now is show you how to assemble the A19. As you will see, there is two different types of thread there. First thread is for your hole saws between 14mm and 30mm. Second thread from 32 to 210. You need the hole size that is already there. Screw it onto the A19 arbor. You put the hole size that you need onto the normal arbor. You take out the pilot drill and insert the A19 The minimum hole enlargement you can do with the A19 is 4.7mm from the inside saw to the outside saw. Now to fix the A19 to the drill.